Hello everyone. Now I'll explain about the waterfall chart. A waterfall chart helps the user to understand the cumulative effect. It is often used to show user how the initial value decreases or increases based on a series of values, which then leads to a final value. The values in a waterfall chart can be positive or negative. Now we'll see in more details here how it works. So click on the waterfall chart icon in the visualization. Now adjust its size. Now in the cup category, we will drop the subcategory here. In the yeah. Now in the x-axis, we can see the subcategory like phone, where storage tables, at the last labels and fastener. On the y-axis, we can see the sales. On the right side, we can see the total sales here. Now in this waterfall chart, we can see the contribution of each subcategory in the total sales here. For example, take the first one with the highest value, that is the phones. Total sales is 33,007 in contribution of the phone in the total sales. Now just take another random example. This is paper and this total sales contribution is the 78479 in the here total sales here. Now there is one more interesting thing here. Click on the sort axis, sort in the ascending order. Means on the left hand side we'll see the sales subcategory with the lowest contribution here. So here the lowest contribution is enough. After that, if we see the trend here, it is the increasing order. Means at the last, phones with the highest sales contribution will come at the highest value. If we click here, sort axis, again descending, and again we can see the highest contribution in the left side and lowest contribution on the right side. So this is all about the waterfall chart.